So hey guys, thanks for joining me today. So today most probably we'll be discussing about a specific uh, business that deals with the current trend and with the current requirements of people who are into the working class altogether. So it's altogether a busy schedule for almost all the people across the mostly the urban cities. So if you look at them for commuting to their office, they predominantly uses the four-wheeler, and perhaps most of them wouldn't find time to maintain it or to clean it on a daily basis, like cleaning their cars, dusting them, washing at least once a week, and then maintaining it periodically, like doing few sorts of pre-requirements which related to the cleaning process altogether. So they are in short of hands. So they obviously require someone who can take care of that particular job on a daily basis, like dusting the vehicle daily, and then cleaning it, water washing it once in a week at least. So this particular business, though it sounds to be a smaller scale kind of thing, people often can spend at least 1,000 to 1,500 rupees for this particular activity for a single vehicle. So if you are capable of getting an order in specific to a region where there are more number of apartments, kind of houses or multi-story buildings, or even office locations where you have altogether the parking facility. So those places will actually have so many vehicles being parked, so many cars being parked at a single at a specific timing where you can dust them. And if it is an office place, I am not pretty much sure you'll be able to wash it. But an apartment kind of structure, definitely you can have the washing facility. All you require is a small pressure pump, which should come somewhere like 500 to 700 rupees, which you can use it for flushing the water fastly in order to clean the vehicle. That would be required only once a week for you. So it's just the dusting which would require a dusting component or an equipment which comes somewhere like 70 rupees or 60 rupees, which you can use it for almost more than a month plus for all the vehicles, like how much ever the vehicles be, say for example 10 or 15 vehicles per day. So all you have to do is reach out to your nearest apartments, like nearest places where you have a lot of apartment houses or multi-story buildings, or community based residential regions, or somewhere like a villa kind of thing where you have similar houses. Predominantly people will be using the cars over there, so you can just pop in there in the morning hours while they are at the house before they start for their work. You can dust the vehicles, and this can also be done even after your working hours as well. Like you can do it at the evening hours, depending on your clients who actually has their own schedule. So you can work on that based on their schedule. You can do it either in the morning or in the evening. That depends entirely up to you and your client's requirement. So if you just do a small workaround for this particular activity, it would definitely make you to reach somewhere like a 25-30k for you just for a couple of hours work in a single day. So it can be either 2 to 3 hours in the morning or 2 to 3 hours in the evening. That is entirely up to you and to your client's timing. And if you have someone else to assist you, or if you can add some more resources for this particular process, you can have them or add them. And that can be done as a group activity, like more than one person. Obviously, you can cover up at least 30-40 vehicles. So if you say, for example, if you're able to cover the first half for 50-60 vehicles and then second half for 50-60 vehicles, approximately if each person is spending like 1,000 rupees for one vehicle, then that would come somewhere like 1 lakh plus for you for a month. So obviously for cleaning the vehicle, people